Hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to use Monzo abroad, avoiding fees while traveling. Now, using your Monzo card abroad is generally straightforward and is designed to make your international spending as seamless as possible. Now, while Monzo's system is smart enough to detect unusual spending patterns, it is a good practice to set a travel notification in your app. This helps Monzo anticipate your spending abroad and reduces the chances of your card being flagged for suspicious activity. When making purchases, always choose to pay in the local currency. Now, Monzo uses the MasterCard exchange rate, which is typically very competitive without adding extra markups. If you choose to pay in your home currency, the merchant's bank will apply their own exchange rate, which is often less favorable. Now, you can withdraw cash from ATMs abroad. Monzo allows a certain amount of fee-free ATM withdrawals per a 30-day period, depending on your plan. After this limit, a fee usually applies, so always opt for local currency when withdrawing from an ATM to ensure Monzo's favorable exchange rate is applied. Now, you'll need to keep an eye on your Monzo app. You will receive instant notifications for every transaction, and this allows you to track your spending in real time and in both the local currency and in pounds. This will help you stay within budget and spot any unauthorized transactions immediately. Now, if you misplace your card or suspect it's been compromised, you can instantly freeze and unfreeze it directly from the Monzo app. This provides an immediate security measure without needing to contact customer support. Now, how do you avoid fees while traveling? Monzo is designed to help you avoid many common travel fees, but there are a few key practices to ensure you get the most out of your card. Now, this is the most crucial tip. When a merchant or ATM asks if you want to pay in pound or the local currency, always choose the local currency. This ensures Monzo applies the MasterCard exchange rate, which is usually the best available. Now, Monzo offers a set amount of fee-free ATM withdrawals abroad with a 30-day rolling period. For the free Monzo account, this limit is £200. Exceeding this limit will incur a 3% fee. So you guessed it, you might want to use this free limit to your advantage. Where possible, use your Monzo card for direct purchases rather than withdrawing large amounts of cash. Monzo does not charge fees for spending with your card abroad, making it a cost-effective way to pay. You'll need to ensure you have sufficient funds in your Monzo account before and during your trip. Topping up your account while abroad can be done easily through the app, but having enough funds beforehand reduces the need for frequent top-ups, which might be subject to your home bank's transfer fees if you're transferring from another account. And lastly, you want to be using features like pots to allocate specific funds for your travel expenses. This helps you to stick to a budget and avoid overspending, which indirectly helps manage your overall travel costs. In conclusion, using Monzo abroad is a smart way to manage your finances while traveling, offering transparency and convenience. By following these steps, we hope you get to use Monzo abroad more efficiently, thus avoiding fees while traveling. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.